Currencies and symbols. As you begin your Forex journey, you will discover that there are an abundance of currencies you can trade. Most likely though, you will probably choose currencies that you are familiar with, have heard a lot about, and are the most traded worldwide. These currencies are known as the majors. The majors consist of 8 different currencies: the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the British pound, the Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar, and the Australian and New Zealand dollars. All currency names in Forex are shortened for 2 reasons. 1, to make working within the trading platform much easier, and 2, to be able to identify the country and the currency that belongs to it more easily. For instance, we just discussed the 8 major currencies, 4 of which are dollars. To distinguish which dollars we are relating to when reading about currencies, talking to someone, or when buying or selling, we can use a simple abbreviation that limits confusion. There are always 3 letters that represent a currency. This is called a currency symbol. When you start trading, you will see currency symbols everywhere, even in your sleep. The first 2 letters of a currency symbol relate to the country name, and the final letter relates to the currency name. Let's see what a currency symbol looks like. Take USD for example, the most traded currency in the Forex market, making up around 86% of all foreign exchange transactions. The US in USD stands for the United States or America. The D in USD stands for dollar, the currency name. So when we see USD, we know that we are buying, selling, discussing or reading about the United States or American dollar, as opposed to any other dollar, such as the New Zealand or Australian dollar. Symbols are used for every currency worldwide. You will get familiar with these symbols as you learn to trade, and you'll quickly learn which country and currencies these symbols represent. You should really try to learn this list of majors before you start trading, so you know what you are buying and selling in the trading platform. You can learn other symbols later, such as the minors or crosses, which are currency pairs that don't include the US dollar, and the exotics, which are defined as currencies that lack market depth, are thinly traded, and are traded at low volumes. Sometimes you might hear a certain currency referred to by their nickname. We've included these currency nicknames in our tables to get your Forex vocab up to scratch.